yellow Duplo, right? And
it's the piston car race.
it's a piston car race.
31 pieces.
Oh yeah, and how about the ages there? It says 2 to
2 to 5. Back of the box.
This is how it's supposed to look.
And we put the stickers on so it can't be hard.
So it's not hard. Oh, look at that! You get a piston.
And you have to put the car piece on there.
That looks so cool.
Or you can make 1 car or 2 cars.
Oh,
Look, you see?
And then we see the.
Or you can make a new one. And you go to Legoland again. Look. See, a new one.
Go to Legoland again and get a new
Or
one.
you can open it and we'll check it out.
So this is the front.
Who sat on it?
Cool.
This is the side. This is the other side. Bottom.
And
Look at the bottom.
The bottom tells you all the pieces that you should get inside the box,
This
right?
is the room.
All right. Are you ready to open
I already
it?
know the car has.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'm opening.
Okay, let's open it.
I'm gonna try to open it. Yay. Thanks, Dada.
You're welcome.
Okay, so all the
Oh,
pieces.
here's the bad one.
That's the bad guy.
Open it up. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay, so take them all out and put them. Make sure that we have
Here's
all
the
the
right
pieces.
stuff.
Yeah, those are the blue pieces.
And gray pieces. Here's the good guy.
There's the good
Lightning McQueen.
guy. Lightning McQueen. Oh, one by one.
Taxi.
The taxi.
Taxi got a mustache.
And the last thing is really important. The instructions.
Correct. Did you take the instructions out?
No.
They're so important when you put them back in the box, silly.
Exactly. So silly.
Alrighty.
Let's
The
look at
instructions for the piston cup. Wait up, buddy.
Wait. Let's open the
Don't wait.
instructions.
You leave that for last, because that's easy. Unless they tell you to do that first. Oh, yes, they do.
I told you.
You are very smart.
Wow.
Go ahead.
So first is Lightning McQueen and the bad guy.
I think I remember his name from the movie. It's, I think,
Put it together, buddy. Come on.
I remembered it. It was Good Taxi.
Good taxi?
Because he's good. I'll open this one first.
The light blue one is for the track.
Really want to use.
So the first four pieces. Gray.
The piston cup area. That looks like this. Alright.
Side of it.
Wow, okay. Pretty good. With some help, you're able to build the piston cup area where they start racing.
Trophy.
Trophy.
Whoa.
Booyah! I know
This goes on the taxi.
Which side?
Right side.
Right side of it.
Good job.
You see, it's right here. This one.
You're done.
Oh, you're done.
Oh.
That was pretty fast.
But what's this?
Where does that go? On top of what?
Just on the side.
Oh. Yeah, you're right. It's not just on the
Just
side.
on the side, like here.
Oh, it is. It's on the side in the picture.
I think this comes with the trophy.
I don't think so.
Well, no, because in
I'll
the
just take the trophy off.
No, that trophy goes on the top.
the
buddy.
trophy goes on the top.
I just want to put it on here.
That's where it is.
Put it on here.
That's where the yellow thing is.
And then
Or you can put the trophy on Lightning McQueen.
Look. You can go on Lightning McQueen. And look at that. The sign on the
oh,
top
guys, look!
can be moved. Yeah, you could build it in many different ways. Batman, the attack of the Talons. Has 155 pieces. There is a Batman. There's Ace, the Bat Hound. Talon Assassin. 2 Talon Assassins. And it's again Lego DC Superhero. Oh, Johnny just threw everything out of the box. Oh, and the instructions. Are you sure that's everything out the box? Let's see. How many packages do you have? Oh, you got some stickers for the vehicle. And what are those? Oh, that's the instructions, right? And what are we gonna start with first? You gotta turn to the body? I don't think so.
Yeah.
Let's turn to the first page. Number 1. Oh, this one has numbers. It tells you which one to start with. And we're gonna turn to the first page. Right here is the first page. Yep. And that's number 2. There you go, number 2. All right, let's get number 1 and start opening it. It's doggies, Johnny. It's bat dogs.
Dogs?
Bat
No,
dogs.
that's bad dog.
That's bat hound.
No, put it down. Put it down. Make it easier. And turn it. Wait. Like this. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. On the end. Good job.
Ooh, it looks like the aircraft is coming together.
Where you going? Stay here. Stay here.
Gonna put more pieces together. You're not done.
Mommy,
Yeah,
I
look.
did.
That is helping you very well.
That's
See,
in my
look, one goes
dough.
here.
You're doing it yourself?
Yeah.
You do the other one right there.
I think Dada is helping you though,
Yeah. I do my dough.
but you're still doing it yourself. Johnny, that is a really cool vehicle. You're fixing it? Where's the little piece that goes there? It just came off. That's the bad guy. That guy don't go. That guy don't go on the Batman's vehicle. Oh, I think this one goes here, but it's okay. This is a cool vehicle. I like the wheels. Very big. Look at the side of it. It has like awesome. What's in there?
Open it this way.
What's in that box?
Tony, open it this way. Just open it like this.
Oh, ripping something.
Dropped.
Oh, it's the cape. Oh, it's the cape. Oh, they always put the cape in a very nice. He's done. Dun-dun-dun.
What? Oh, yeah. Oh, right.
Let's see it up close. Ooh,
Of course, he took everything out of Batman's name.
he took everything
Took
out.
off Batman's helmet.
Put Batman's helmet back on.
Wait! Oh my gosh! Look!
It's just like a red mask. Oh, look at Batman! Wow.
No, no, ma'am.
Let's take a closer look. We have to go up. Look at his weapons, his shield, his scary face mask,
No,
and
not that,
Bat
ma'am.
Hound. Very cool. Excuse me. So this is the Talons. Wow, they got
Yeah,
some claws. They got a scary face. These are Talons, and how many? Oh, this one is like a ninja Talon. These are the assassins. Wow. Oh, does that make a something shoots out of it? Wow, it's so tiny. Look at the blasters on it. These are extra parts. These are extra parts. Johnny, wow, it's so tiny. Look at how tiny it is. And this shoots out.